Whether we acknowledge it or not, almost everything we do with our clients involves a bit of serious play. We offer them opportunities to get out of their heads and into their bodies. We ask them to play pretend and consider new ways of being, and have them use their imaginations to create new stories more aligned with these yet unseen desires. If we consider a few of these kinds of play as integral parts to our practice, it isn't much of a stretch to bring some toys into our clients' coaching playground. Hi, I'm Paul Sandbar, coach supervisor, hands-on visual thinking facilitator, and purposeful play partner. Join me the middle 3 Mondays of May for my Association for Coaching webinar series, Hands-on Coaching Using Lego Serious Play. From connection to creation to collaboration, each of the 3 sessions will build upon the previous, pun intended. The connection session, you'll learn the principles, history, and tenets of Lego Serious Play and get to know your Lego. In creation, you'll use your Lego artifact builds to connect deeper with your peers and see a demo of my Liminal Spaces coaching framework. We'll close with collaboration to scaffold your learning and see how Lego Serious Play connects with systems thinking and reflection on action. Each session, you'll engage with your own hands-on thinking to have an opportunity to anchor your learning by building your takeaways. So if you're ready for some hard fun, your first step is to register and follow the instructions to secure your Lego in time for some purposeful play. See you then.